I got everything in this life. I got everything it feels like.
Guys, so I'm done with my workout. 1:37 brunch, first meal. Before ako mag-first meal, iniinom muna ako ng apple cider. Ginagawa ko siya almost 3 to 4 years. Kasi before, sobrang taba ko. Before pandemic, nag-50 kilos ako. During the pandemic, nag-workout ako. Nag-lose ako ng weight. Then, kasama yung pag-inom ko ng apple cider. Eat. Then after that, every time na inom ko na po cider, dapat i-wash mo siya ng water. Hindi masira yung ngipin. I'm on my way to my facial appointment kasi ang dami ko ng whiteheads and sobrang busog ko kasi may kailangan akong i-reach a certain na protein. Gusto ko muna yung sa facial appointment ko, nag-rate ko sa kanila to prepare. Kakatapos ko lang mag-workout. So, mag-brunch na ako. since natamad na ako magluto. Hi guys, so I'm on my way sa gym. So it's currently 2:46.
Tattoo on my mind, body in my bed. If you say that I don't get in your head, riding through the stars, you can catch your breath. I'ma give you something that you never gonna
Hi
forget.
guys.
Lay your body down, I'll make it easy for you. Screaming like you never been touched before, moving like we never made love before. We don't got a color in our lines of what we're told. We could change it up, cutting ties with all the old, switching up positions, paint a different picture. Handcuffs, tongues that taking all control, taking all control. Handcuffs, tongues that taking all control, taking all control, taking all control. Handcuffs, tongues that taking all control. If it's feeling right, we don't gotta fight it. Tell me what you like, anything I'll try it. Jupiter to Mars on a private jet. Yeah, I'ma give you something that you never gon' forget. No, lay your body down, I'll make it easy for you. Screaming like you never been touched before, moving like we never made love before. We don't got a color in our lines of what we're told. We could change it up, cutting ties with all the old, switching up positions, paint a different picture. Handcuffs, tongues that take.
Hey guys, so today, ano oras na? It's 3:38 in the afternoon, so may dentist appointment lang ako. And quick fit check before ako
I'm in for
umalis.
the ride, baby. You and I got history. Are we meant to be, or is it all a lie? Read between the lines, and this ain't how it's supposed to be. No, you know that I
So I'm here na sa dentist.
keep pulling, pushing on me. All this time I sacrifice, but you want it when you want it. It's only when it's right for you.
Ano ko liwat? Guwapa?
I just got this feeling that I'm into today. I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just got this feeling.
Waiting for my grab.
I just hate this feeling, but I can't fight this feeling.
Hello, so it's August 18, 4:16. So pupunta ako today sa SM to pick up the clothes na pina-alter ko for Siargao. So this is my outfit for today. Itong top na to matagal na. From Shein. Then back long chop. Actually tinatamad ako. Hindi ko alam bakit. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Ano yun? I love my hair so much. Oh my God. Kakauwi ko lang from SM. It's my first time na mag-bike outside. Let's see. This is my outfit. Sports bra, leggings, and overshirt. Body bag from Lululemon. Let's go. August 23, 12:36. And gusto ko lang mag-haul. Bumili na ako ng serum. Kasi grabe na talaga maglagas yung hair ko. Talagang isang ganun. Huwag ko lang ipakita yung hair ko kasi nakakadiri. Ang dami talaga. Effective ko pa naman yung madaming bulk sa floor. Kaya lagi talaga ako nag-vacuum. So, bumili na ako na anti-hair fall serum from Kerastase. Shampoo, anti-hair fall. Tapos binigyan nila ako ng freebies. Ito yung freebies. So, magla-lunch na ako in a while. So, nag-fasting na ako for almost 19 hours. So, 1 hour na lang. Pwede lang kumain. Bali yung fasting, guys, ginagawa ko na siya 4 years. Nag-start ako pandemic. Another quick haul from online shops. Actually, yeah, online shops. So, first package of the day. Lahat talaga sabay-sabay dumating. Ano ba itong bigat? This is what I love about online shopping. Para siyang, mystery gift. Hindi mo alam what's inside. Okay. Oh! Chamoy. Yeah. I love Mexican candies. Next. Oh! The thing na nilalagay mo sa likod. Ooh! Nice. So, hindi na pala ito need. Pwede so, ganyan siya. So nice. Super strong yung magnets. Yep. Love. Nice. Oh, my water something. Ano ba tawag? Culture. Oh, hydration vest. Wala pa nag-aaya sa akin mag-run. Wala, kala mo naman tatakbo ng ilang miles. Hey guys, good morning. So, it's August 24, 11:48, and may dumating akong package from Lazada. Sa Lazada ko siya in-order. It's a bike trainer. Kasi dito sa amin hindi naman sobrang hirap mag-bike. Like, hassle for me kasi babae ako. Tapos usually wala akong kasama mag-bike. So, yun. May bike training tayo for today. Let's do an unboxing. Let's go. Unbox natin. Ito yung bike ko from a local brand here sa Iloilo, Marvel. Then, ito yung bike trainer. Set-up ko na siya kasi hindi pa ako marunong mag-setup. We'll see.